Hi everyone, I am Prasanna, working as the assistant professor in BVC Engineering College, Waddle. In my last video, we discussed about FFT algorithm and types of FFT algorithm, and we also discussed 10 steps in DIT FFT algorithm. So here now we are going to discuss the problem on DIT FFT algorithm. So here the given problem, that is, here we are going to find the DFT of the sequence. Here the sequence is x of n equal to 1 zeros, 7 zeros. Here we are using to find the sequence using DIT FFT algorithm. So actually we are having 10 steps, that is, first one is number of samples. See here the given sequence, discrete time sequence is, that is, n equal to 8. So first step is number of samples. So here number of samples equal to n equal to 2 power m. So m is an integer. Already we know n equal to 8. So 8 can be written as 2 power 3. So 2 power 3 is equal to 2 power m. So then m equal to 3. So our next step is, here the given sequence is 8 point sequence. So in this 8 point sequence we are representing x of 0 as, here it is at n equal to 0, n equal to 2 and so on, n is equal to 7. So at n is equal to 0 our value is 1. So here it is written as x of 0, x of 1, x of 2 and so on, x of 7. So likewise we write these equations: x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6, x of 7. So at x of 0 we are having 1, value 1, and all other are having zeros. Okay, so in binary form 0 can be written as 000, and for 1 we are writing as 001, and for 2 it is written as 010, and for 3 011, 4 100, 5 101, and 6 110, and for 7 111. Why? Because we are taking 3 means we are getting 3 samples. So that's why we are taking 3 inputs. For 3 inputs we get 8 combinations. So these are the 8 combinations. See here our second step is, it must be in reversal order. So how we are writing it as reversal order means, take the binary. This is actually we are writing it as 0 0 0. So here we are taking it as reverse, that is 0 0 0 0 0 0. So 0 0, if it is forwards and backward, it must it is in same form 0 0. So and see the next one, 1 can be written as 0 0 1. So if we are writing it as reverse means, first we get these 1 1 0 0. Okay, so likewise for 2, it writing in reverse bias means 0 1 0, and for 3 1 1 0. So likewise write 3 4 5 6 7. So see here for 3 zeros we are writing it as 3 zeros can be occur in x of 0, and here 1 0 0. So 1 0 0 is nothing but 4. So x of 4, and it is x of 2. 1 1 0. 1 1 0 is nothing but 6, value 6. So it can be written as x of 6. Here it is x of 1, x of 5, it is x of 3, and x of 7. So inputs are in this order, it is in reversal order, inputs order, and it is output order. So output order must be normal order. So likewise we are going to give the inputs and taking the outputs. Our next third step is number of stages in each number of stages. So here number of stages formula is m equal to log base to n. So m equal to n can be written as 2 power 3. So then m is equal to log base to 2 power 3. So m equal to 3 log base to 2. So here the value for log base to 2 is 1. So then m is equal to 3. And next, number of butterflies in each stage is n by 2. So here n equal to 8 by 2. We are getting 4. In each stage we are having 3 stages. For each stage we are getting 4 butterflies. And at the same time we are having our next step is 5th step, that is input and output separation. So for input and output separation we are having 2 power m minus 1. Our formula is 2 power m minus 1. Here small m can be changes for the for every stage. For example, we are getting 3 stages for. So for stage 1, 2 power m minus 1 can be written as 2 power m minus 1. So here for stage 1 small m is equal to 1. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 2 power 0 is equal to 1. So input and output separation for stage 1 is 1. So likewise for stage 2 and stage 3. For stage 2 input and output separation is 2, and for stage 3 input and output separation is 4. So this is about step 5. And step 6 and step 7 are the multiplication and additions required in DFT, FFT. So already we discussed in last video about these 2 steps. Okay. Next, our 8th step is Twiddle factor. So Twiddle factor formula is Wn power k. Wn of k. Already we know capital N. Now we are going to find the k. So then take k is equal to nt by 2 power m. So we don't know t value. So t can be changed for each stage because we are having here small m. So for each stage t will be changed. If t change, k also changes. So first of all, see for stage 1. For stage 1 small m is equal to 1. Then k is equal to nt by 2 power m. So here t is equal to 2 power m minus 1. So t is equal to 2 power 1 minus 1 minus 1. That is t equal to 0. When t is equal to 0, k equal to, here n equal to 8, and we got t is equal to 0 by 2 power m is equal to 1. So that is k equal to 0. So for stage 1, Twiddle factor is w n k equal to n of k equal to w n value is 8 of k value is 0, w 8 of 0. So this is the Twiddle factor for the stage 1. Likewise for stage 2, small m value is 2, then k is equal to nt by 2 power m. So t is equal to, formula is 2 power m minus 1 is equal to, here m is equal to 2, then 2 power 2 minus 1 is equal to 0, 1. Okay. So that is here when t is equal to, we got 1. So before values also we are considering here, that is 0, 1. Here we are finding when t is equal to 0 and for t is equal to 1. First see, when t is equal to 0, k is equal to n value 8 into t value is 0 by 2 power 2. So that is 0. Next, for t is equal to 1, that is k is equal to n value is 8 into t value is 1 by 2 power m value is 2. So 2 power 2. So here we get k is equal to 2. we are having Wn of k is equal to W8 of 0, comma, and at the same time Wn of k is equal to W8 of 2. So here we got two twiddle factors, that is W8 of 0 and W8 of 2. For stage 1 we got only one twiddle factor, and for stage 2 we got two twiddle factors. Likewise for step 3. So see here, for stage 3, small m is equal to 3, then k is equal to, then we got t is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. So for when t is equal to 0, k value is 0. So then twiddle factor is W8 of 0, and likewise for t is equal to 1, twiddle factor is W8 of 1, and at the same time for t is equal to 2, twiddle factor is W8 of 2, and for t is equal to 3, twiddle factor W8 of 3. So here we got 4 twiddle factors in stage 3. So our next steps are 9 and 10. So here 9 and 10 steps are going to find the exponent repeat factor. How many times factor will be repeated in each stage, that can be find in 9 and 10 steps. Here ERF is equal to 2 power m minus small m. So where capital M is the integer and small m is the stage index. So for stage 1, small m value equal to 1, then 2 power capital M minus m. So already we find the capital M value, that is 3. So 2 power 3 minus 1, we got 4. For stage 1 we are having 4, and likewise for stage 2 and for stage 3, stage 2 and for stage 3, 2 power m, for stage 2 m, small m is equal to 2, then the value is 2, and likewise for stage 3, small m is equal to 3, exponent repeat factor is 1. So these are the 10 steps we are required to draw the structure of FFT. So see the structure. So we got 3 stages: stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. For each stage we are giving 8 inputs and taking 8 outputs. So see here, first stage, see the 5th step, we are having input and output separation. For stage 1, input and output separation is 1. So that is, here we are taking it as 0, 1. So for, and at the same time we are having, in each stage we are having 4 butterflies. So stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. So in each stage we get 4 butterflies at stage 1 and stage 2 and stage 3. So see here, input and output separation we are having is 0, 1. Actually we got 1. Previous value also we are considering here, 0, 1. So 0, 1 is connected as a butterfly principle. So here the factor is W8 power 0. So for stage 1, where we got only one twiddle factor, that is W8 power 0. So, and see the 9 and 10 steps. In 9 and 10 steps, for stage 1, exponent repeat factor will be repeated in 4 times. So see here our exponent repeat factor. So for stage 1, exponent repeat factor will be repeats 4 times. So here we got the only one twiddle factor, that is W8 power 0 for stage 1. That's why here only one factor will be repeated in 4 times. See here, and likewise take 0, 1. So these two are connected, and the factor is W8 of 0, and take 0, 1. No need to write 0, 1, 0, 1. So just this is just how to draw. So 0, W8 of 0. So here for stage 1 we got 4 butterflies, and we got only one twiddle factor. The twiddle factor will be repeats only 4 times. So this is about stage 1. And next see input and output separation, that is 5th step, stage 2. See the stage 2 we got 2. So here we are writing it as 0, 1, 2. 0, 1. So these two are connected. See here, 0 is connected to the opposite of 2 and 2 is connected to the opposite of 0. So here the factor is actually we got two factors in stage 2 at the 8th step. So here W8 of 0 and W8 of 1. So these two FIL factors are repeated 2 times in stage 2. And next see, these two inputs are connected to these two outputs. And next see, next input. So remove these 0, 1, 2. So here 0 is connected to the opposite of 2 and 2 is connected to the opposite of 3. So here the factor is W8 of 1 because we got two factors in stage 2 and 8th step. So that's why we are taking W8 of 0 and W8 of 2 only. Next, same likewise here the same butterflies are repeated here, the stage 2. So here we got 4 butterflies. So 4 and we are also get only 2 twiddle factors and these 2 twiddle factors are repeated 2 times. So 2 to 4 we got 4 butterflies. And next stage 3. So for stage 3 we are having exponent repeat factors, 4 factors. We got twiddle factors are 4, that is W8 of 0, W8 of 1, W8 of 2 and W8 of 3. So for these 4 factors are repeated only one time. See here, these are the inputs and see the input and output separation, that is 5th step. So input and output separation for stage 3 is 3. So 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here 0 and 4 are connected. So here 0 opposite is connected to the 4 and 4 opposite is connected to the 0. We have got 4 factors, that is W8 of 0. First lesser factor we are writing here. And likewise if you take it as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, these two are connecting here. Okay, so like we are having 4 factors, W8 of 0, W8 of 1, W8 of 2 and W8 of 3. So this is the DIT-FFT butterfly structure. So here we are going to find the outputs for each stage. So stage 1 inputs are these inputs. So these inputs are, by using these inputs we are getting output at stage 1. So stage 1 outputs are given to the stage 2. So stage 2 outputs are these. So these are given as input to the stage 3. So see how we are getting outputs for stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. So for stage 1 we are having butterflies have 1, 0 here. So here we are having x of 0, x of 4. X of 0 is equal to 1, x of 4 equal to 0. So here the twiddle factor is W8 of 0. So our formula is A plus B Wn of k. So here A equal to 1 plus B is equal to 0. A equal to 1, B equal to 0. Wn of k. So Wn of k is W8 of 0. So we got W8 of 0 formula is e power minus j 2 pi by n into k. So e power minus j 2 pi by n. Here n equal to 8, k equal to 0. So e power 0 is equal to 1. So here W8 of 0 value is So we got W8 power 0 value is 1. So substitute this 1 in here. So we get 1 plus 0 into 1 here, where output is 1. And same wise here 1 minus, so our formula is a minus b twiddle factor Wn of k. So Wn of k value already we find out, and a value is 1. 1 minus 0 into 1. So here the value is 1. See how we are writing it as. So we are having two inputs 1 0. So for these two inputs we get 1 1 output. See here we find these values 1 1. So that's why these are the two outputs for the equation. Next, so for next butterfly in stage 1, these two inputs are 0 0 and outputs also 0 0. See, if you want to find the outputs by using these two formulas. Okay. Next, so these are the outputs for stage 1. So stage 1 outputs are given to the inputs for the stage 2. So here 1 1 0 0 0. So see here. See, for stage 2 we are having two factor. We got two twiddle factors. So these two twiddle factors are repeated 2 times. So we are having for these two butterflies inputs are 0 1 0. So 1 0 for one of the twiddle factor is W8 of 0. Here the outputs are 0 0, and for next butterfly 1 0 are the inputs, and the twiddle factor is W8 power 1. So W8 power 1 value is minus 1. Sorry, W8 power 2. So W8 power 2 value is minus 1 for this, for the exponential terms. And next, so here the outputs are, we got 1 1 1 1. So see here, for stage 2 for the factor 1 0 we got inputs are 1 1, and the next butterfly inputs are 1 0. For the 1 0 we got again ones 1 1 1. So for these are 0 zeros. So these are the outputs for the stage 2 and given to the input for the stage 3. So for stage 3 we are having 4 twiddle factors, W8 of 0, W8 of 1, W8 of 2, W8 of 3. So here the values for the W8 of 0, W8 of 2, W8 of 1, W8 of 3. So see here, these are the butterflies and these are the inputs, and outputs are, and here the outputs are 1. So all are 1. These are also 1 because these are multiplied with 0. So only one term will be remain. So that is 1. So then only the output is 1. So that's why we got output is 1. So this is the butterfly structure, how we are getting outputs from the inputs. Next, to see how we are writing outputs as a x of k form. This is the output for the given sequence. So, and it is the butterfly structure, and these are the outputs, how we get the outputs by using butterflies. So this is about DIT FFT. Thank you.